Hello and welcome, dear listeners, to another insightful episode of Prodcast. I'm your host Pranshu, and today we are diving into a topic that gains significant traction in Indian financial landscape: account aggregator. As technology continues to reshape the way we manage our finance, account aggregator has emerged as a powerful concept. But what exactly it is, and how is it transforming the financial sector of India? Let's break it down. To put it simply, an account aggregator, often abbreviated as AA, is a platform that allows individuals to consolidate and view their financial information from various sources in one place. It's like having a centralized hub for all your financial data, from bank accounts to investment and more. Now let's explore this with a relevant example from Indian industry. Consider Consent, a notable account aggregator in India. With Consent, user can seamlessly access and share their financial data securely across various financial institutions, all through a unified platform. The beauty of account aggregator lies in its ability to streamline and simplify traditionally complex process of accessing financial data from different sources. For an instance, if you have multiple bank accounts, investments or loans, instead of logging into each individual platform, an account aggregator provides you a consolidated view, offering a comprehensive snapshot of your complete financial landscape. Now you might wonder, why is it relevant? Well, imagine applying for a loan. Traditionally, you'd need to gather and submit a list of documents from various financial sources. With an account aggregator, this process becomes far more efficient. The lending institution can securely access the necessary financial data directly, making the application process faster and more convenient for the user. One of the key features of account aggregator is the emphasis of user consent and data privacy. Users have control over what information is shared and with whom. This not only aligns with regulatory requirement but also ensures that individuals have a say in how their financial data is utilized. Let's look at the Indian regulatory landscape. The Reserve Bank of India has played a pivotal role in shaping the framework for account aggregators. By fostering innovation and ensuring data security, the RBI has created an environment conducive to growth of these platforms. To sum up, an account aggregator is a game changer in financial sector, providing individuals with greater control and accessibility of their financial information. With a growing number of players entering in the market, the future of account aggregator in India holds an immense promise. So that concludes our exploration of account aggregators on this episode of Prodcast. I hope you have a clearer understanding of this innovative concept and its impact on Indian financial landscape. If you found this episode valuable, please subscribe to Prodcast on your favorite podcast platform. And as always, if you have any question or topic you'd like us to cover, reach out to us on our website or through any social media channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep navigating the ever-evolving world of product management. Happy listening. See you into the next episode of Prodcast.